Hello, today I will show you how to enable night mode in your XIAOMI Mi Mix 3. Night mode is also called a blue light filter or a reading mode. So first let's unlock our phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now go to settings and in here swipe a bit up and select display. Here you have reading mode. This will make the blue colors of your display be less noticeable. So if we apply it, reading mode, as you can see, all of the colors of our phone got warmer. It helps at night to read and it doesn't strain your eyes as much. Of course, you can disable it or you can set it on schedule and you can switch it to good night's read. It switches the reading mode after the sunset automatically. So the phone just reads where you are currently in the world when the sun sets and then uses good night's read when it's needed. Or you can set a custom period to turn it on at any hour you like and turn it off at any hour you like. You can also adjust the power of the reading mode, so you can do it very small or very strong or just leave it in the middle. And you can also turn it off just like that. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.